crap, sitting here just a fishing. Problem is we're sitting on land. Yeah, well, quit fish dreaming and dreaming about fishing or whatever it is. Let's get this done. Hey, no lying down on the job. Get up here. Well, uh-oh, I broke it. Damn. Let go. I don't want any grapes. I just want to fix this. Cured it all. Cured all. Cured all. Luke, how do you say that? Toothpick. Anyway, mix some of this stuff up. This is not an aircraft structure, okay, so we're not too worried about it. Not sure how much work's going to get done today. Filled it up a little bit, make it a little stronger maybe. Probably breaks next time. It'll break and I won't be able to fix it. Let's go find something to clamp this. I'm not going to hang on to this for 50 minutes. Hello, chickens. Alrighty. Welcome to my pigsty. Okay, that's a little big. I wonder. Here, I'll put you down. Ouch. Okay, so I fixed the camera mount and now I'm looking for the tape measure. I've been looking for it for the last 3 minutes and I thought, what the heck is that? Yeah, found it. Anyway, back at her. Well, let's see if we got the right idea here. Oops. Put you down for a second, guys. Well, it fits in loosely when you don't put in the right spot. Okay, my ass is too short for this. I gotta get a ladder. All right. Hey, that's the right idea. Oh, we got a bit of a taper at the back. All right. Once you around here for it, put her off. Don't sting me. 15 1/4 minus 29 is 13 3/4. 13 3/4. Alright, 20 inches deep. Hopefully the hole is square. I should be doing this with cardboard, plywood. Chickens are noisy. Okay, that should be long enough for that thing to dry. Let's go check on that. Okay, it's a little tacky still. Let's put it out in the sun, see if that helps it dry a little quicker. Yeah, put it on the rusty rotor brake. That'll work. Yeah. dry. Oh, you know things are getting desperate when that's your camera mount. I guess it works, but yeah. Anyway, Ryobi makes a camera mount now. The boat we're doing this with, whatever. Is the Smokercraft. 16 feet, I think it's deep and wide. And a friend of mine, paramedic, now down in Peel actually. It's his dad's boat. Asked me to see what I could do. So, let's see what we can do. What we're gonna do once we get all this cut in place and whatnot, we're actually gonna disassemble it all. And the trick I learned from Dryland Marine when I was out on the west coast was you take this stuff and you paint it with fiberglass resin. Thin it out and paint it with that. Basically turns it into a great big chunk of, it's not glass, but I guess fiber wood or resin wood or whatever. Makes it waterproof. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, time for some more cutting. All right, move our fancy camera mount over here. See what I'm doing. Sort maybe stay. Kubota BX application number 20,000, I'm sure. Perfect. Zoom. Big, my legs are just that short. Like a glove. I love it. It's beautiful. You should see this, but you can't right now because you're on the other side of the seat. Two there. There. Get that. That fits there. That fits there. There'll be a floor in here. It ain't a dancing hall yet. We'll get there. Get your finger out of the way. Here, what is that? Oop. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, the Smokercraft has got a groove down the side of it. I guess it's just like an extra streak down the side of the boat. Anyways, works really nice for a piece to put the plywood into. So now we just got to build some supports, one across the front, one down the center, probably one across that back seam between the seats there. So yeah, all right, I guess that's what's next. Okay, all right. Only problem moving up there. Easy now. The boat. The gunnels get higher. My legs don't get any longer. Jansen heirlooms there. Stay. See what I did? Yeah, hopefully I got that. The sound effects are free. That seat's wet. I don't want to sit on that. Anyway, okay. So my short ass legs, where's that put us? So we have it up here. Test fitting. Yeah, I think so. Alright. Cool. Okay, cool. Had to go find a hat because the glare off my head was too much. It was overexposing the camera. So anyway, we got our template for the curvature. Look at that. We'll transfer it to this guy. Then we'll try it out. Cool. Look at that. Oh yeah. We're awesome. We'll tell you, we're awesome. We're all awesome. Here he plugs. Alright. I hear nothing. What do you think, boo-boo? I'm kind of happy with that. Okay, repeat again. Don't tell anybody. Right over here. There we go. Too short in one end again. Well, curvature's right though. Ish. Ish. Heavy on the ish. Okay, let's get spaced. Oh dear. Damn. Oh, that pinched. That wasn't nice. Ball. Perfect world, these would be stainless, but I'm not going to spend $60 on screws. Oops, easy. Yes, I hear you, chicken. Alright, well, they got all the pieces marked. Let's see what I know. Perfect's not bad. Should be able to stand on that. Oh yeah, sweet. Cool. Alright, enough clowning around. Howie. Howie. Oh, that would look nice. Winner of the DFA award. That's Dumb Funny Guy award, unless you're playing baseball or something else. But, you know, it's good that, you know, my total width here is 49, my total width over there is 56. But this dimension is supposed to be 35. So, back to the drawing board, and thankfully you can cut shorter, because if you couldn't cut shorter, I would have buggered myself up. And flip, flip, flip. Flip, flip, flip. This one you could almost dance a jig on. Okay, so Tamarack's in for front. Back is in, our middle is in. Just gonna trim up this guy. Actually, as I look at it, I think it'll move in. Anyway, we'll see what we can do. Hey folks. Oop, upside down. There. Okay, hey folks. Okay, so boat floor has been created. Anyways, I had to stop the running commentary because I was running out of phone memory. And I killed my phone, so battery, what that is. So anyway, the hard part's done. Now it's just a matter of waterproof and everything, and waiting for the carpet to come. Once that comes, we'll finish this project off. Anyway, hope you had a good day today. Nice day here today, sitting about 22 degrees, sunny all day, nice breeze. Not quite the Bahamas, but it is Manistee Key. So, folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay out of trouble or have fun. Grab yourself a beer, coffee, enjoy the day. Ciao for now.